Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue grammar part of the lesson. Nisha walks again. We are going to continue the grammar part. Previously we have completed 2 parts and today we are going to continue the remaining part of the lesson. Nisha walks again. Okay? See. In previous class we have completed till here and we are going to continue from here. Smiles. S-I-M-I-L-E-S. Smiles. Smiles are the words that directly compares two different things. We use words like or, as to compare two things. Smiles are the words S-I-M-I-L-E-S. Smiles. A-R-E-R-T-H-E. The words W-O-R-D-S. Words that T-H-A-T. That directly. D-I-R-E-C-T-L-Y. Directly compares. C-O-M-P-A-R-E-S. Compares two different things. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. We use W-E-V-U-S-E. Use words W-O-R-D-S. Words like L-I-K-E. Like or as A-S. As to compare. C-O-M-P-A-R-E. Compare two things. T-W-O. To T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Repeat along with me, children. Smiles. Smiles are the words that directly compares two different things. We use words like or as to compare two things. Smiles. Smiles are the words that directly compares two different things. We use words like or as to compare two things. Now see, match the following. M-A-T-C-H. Match the F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Match the following. First one. As old as old as the mountain, as old as T-H-E. The M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. As old as the mountain. As hard as rock. Rock is so hard, so A-S. As H-A-R-D. Hard. A-S. As rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. As brave as lion. Lion is brave here. As B-R-A-V-E. Brave. As A-S. As lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. As slow as A-S. As S-L-O-W. Slow. A-S. As snail. Snail walks slowly. So, as slow as snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. As quiet as mouse. As Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. As A-S. As M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Repeat along with me, children. As old as the mountain. The mountains are old. So, as old as the mountain. As hard as rock. As hard as rock. As brave as lion. As brave as lion. As slow as snail. As slow as snail. As quiet as mouse. As quiet as mouse. Now come to collective nouns. collective, collective nouns. Nouns, nouns. Collective noun is a noun such as family or team that refers to a group of people or things. Collective noun is a noun, 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 such as such, as, family, 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 or team, 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 that refers, refers to a group of group of people, people or things, things. Collective noun is a noun such as family or team that refers to a group of people or things. Okay, here we match the nouns, get light collective nouns. Match the nouns, get light collective nouns. First one, a parliament of owls. Parliament, parliament, of owls, owls. A pack of wolves. Pack, of wolves, wolves. A fleet of fleet, of cars, cars. A fleet of cars. An army of army, an army of ants, ants, ants. Army, ants. A band of band, a band of musicians, musicians, a band of musicians. Again, all of you repeat along with me, children. First one is a parliament of owls, a pack of wolves, a fleet of cars, an army of ants, a band of musicians. A parliament of owls, a pack of wolves, a fleet of cars, an army of ants, a band of musicians. Okay, children, watch this video 2 to 3 times to learn grammar part of the lesson. Nisha walks again. Watch once again, repeat. After watching, all of you repeat these two, match the followings. Okay, after watching this video, write these words each 3 times in your homework books. Okay, children, thank you. Bye.